Hey, Rose here with another online dating tip for you, and today we are talking about ChatGPT. Okay, so today I was playing around with ChatGPT and I wanted to see what it can come up with in terms of dating profile bios. So the first question I asked it was to create, if it can create a bio for a 40-year-old woman, and then I asked it to create a bio for a single mom. And then I asked also for it to create a bio for a 25-year-old woman. I'm gonna put the findings on the screen so you can see what it came up with. For those of you who don't know what ChatGPT is, if you go on Google and just type ChatGPT, it's gonna come up, and then you create a profile. You sort of just sign up with your email address, and then you're free to use the tool. This is something I use to come up with keywords for my blog posts and just ideas for my content, including some of my videos. So first of all, I want to say, although it's a good idea to do that just for research, I don't think it's a good idea to just take what it creates for you and then you use it as it is, just the raw material from an AI, and then you use it on your dating app. I don't think that's a good idea, because anyone can see that is just a generic generated bio. So I think you can use it to give you ideas on how to phrase things, just how to frame your whole dating profile bio, but don't use it exactly as it comes out of the ChatGPT because it's so annoying these days. Like, you see things that are just AI generated and they are not personalized, like they're just there. So you can read what it says, and if you find, things that it has come up with that resonate with you, you're like, yeah, this is me. Like, yeah, of course, I'm like this. Then you can take those things and then you can incorporate them in your bio as you write your bio yourself, because it has to be personalized. You have to speak as yourself and not a robot speaking for you. So the thing is, when I was live last time, there was somebody in the comments who suggested that women can use ChatGPT to come up with dating profile bios, and I was like, I'll just give it a try and see what happens. And that's what happened. Yes, you can use it like just to research on how to come up with a powerful bio, but not exactly as it comes out. So I hope this helps you. The thing is, when it comes to dating profile bios, I don't think we should be now so detailed, because I feel like a lot of people are reading what you're saying because you have sort of like put yourself there, everything about you, and I feel like you could end up in the wrong hands in terms of somebody just pretending to be exactly what you're looking for, and then later on you find out that it was all an act. Like they turn on you, and then you're like, but you are exactly what I was looking for. Like, how did this happen? Why are you turning out to be somebody that that you're not? So that's another conversation we had, and I think you shouldn't put everything out there, like everything, because I think it's becoming very challenging with online dating. So I think you have to be very smart. I think you have to, yes, you can give a little bit, like your hobbies and stuff. But when it comes to the meat of things, I feel like you should leave some things out. And then you're like, I'm just here and looking to see if I can find, a gentleman who is going to treat me well, somebody that I can vibe with and enjoy this thing called life with. and then you can get to know each other on a deeper level when you start speaking to each other, rather than just putting that for everybody to see, and then the fake people can pretend to be, as I said, exactly what you're looking for, but they're just pretending. Okay, I'm gonna put my findings on ChatGPT on the screen, and then you can have a look and maybe you can get some ideas. Okay, so as you can see, the command I gave was, can you please suggest dating profile bio for a 40-year-old woman? And those are the results it gave. I'm a 40-year-old woman who believes that life is too short to not embrace every moment with laughter and genuine connections. I'm on this journey with an open heart, hoping to meet someone who shares my zest for life. Okay, I find it's using that zest word many times. So I think if you put that word there, somebody might suspect that you're using ChatGPT for generating your dating profile. Okay, so I gave the same command for a single mom, and this is what it came up with. It says, I'm a single mom navigating the beautiful journey of life with my amazing son, daughter. As someone who values both family and personal growth, I'm excited to share my world with someone special. And then, of course, I gave the same command, but now for a 25-year-old woman. And this is where I found it was like really generic, like it wanted you to just put your information. Again, the word zest is used here. So um, I'm a 25-year-old woman with a zest for life and a passion for, and then you should put your hobbies. I believe in making every moment count, and I'm excited to connect with someone who shares a love for adventure and laughter. So you can take this, and then of course you can just add your information. You can personalize the bio, because as I said, the AI doesn't know you, so it's not gonna be able to put your information there. So my interest, when I'm not conquering the world in my professional life, and then he says you can find me, then you're supposed to put where they can find you.